Diamonds have fascinated humans for centuries because of their beauty, rarity, and value. Rough diamonds, in particular, are often mistaken for ordinary stones because they do not yet have the sparkle of cut and polished diamonds. Many people find rough stones and wonder, is this a real diamond or just a fake? In this detailed guide, you will learn practical, scientific, and visual methods to help you determine whether your rough diamond is real or fake, especially using simple tests you can perform at home. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a diamond in its natural, uncut, and unpolished form. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds have an irregular shape, look cloudy or greasy rather than shiny, often resemble quartz or other common minerals. Despite their dull appearance, rough diamonds have unique physical and chemical properties that set them apart from imitations. Common fake stones, mistaken for rough diamonds. Before testing, it's important to know what rough diamonds are often confused with. Quartz, cubic zirconia, moissanite, glass, calcite. These materials may look similar at first glance, but behave very differently under testing. Visual inspection, first step. 1. Examine the shape. Real rough diamonds usually have sharp, angular edges, show crystal forms like octahedrons or dodecahedrons, do not appear rounded like river stones. Fake stones are often smooth and rounded due to erosion. 2. Check the surface texture. Real rough diamonds often have a greasy or oily shine. Fake stones usually look glassy or dull. Tip: if the stone looks too smooth and shiny, like glass, it is likely fake. 3. Look for natural imperfections. Real diamonds may contain small inclusions, tiny surface lines called trigons. Perfect clarity in a rough stone is suspicious and often indicates a fake. Hardness tests, very important. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on Earth. 4. Scratch test. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. Try scratching a piece of quartz or glass. Warning, this test can damage surfaces and should be done carefully. 5. Sandpaper test. Rub the stone against sandpaper. A real diamond will not be scratched. Fake stones will show visible damage. Transparency and light tests. 6. Fog test. Breathe on the stone. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears instantly. A fake stone stays foggy for a few seconds. 7. Light reflection test. Rough diamonds do not sparkle like polished diamonds. They reflect light in a gray or white manner. Colorful flashes usually indicate fake stones. Density and weight tests. 8. Water test. Drop the stone into water. Real diamonds sink immediately due to high density. Many fake stones float or sink slowly. #9. Weight comparison. Diamonds are heavier than they look. If your stone feels unusually light, it may be fake. Heat resistance test. 10. Fire test. Advanced. Be careful. Heat the stone with a lighter for about 30 seconds, then drop it into cold water. Real diamonds remain intact. Fake stones may crack or shatter. This test can be dangerous and should be done only with protective equipment. Magnet test. 11. Magnet test. Real diamonds are not magnetic. If the stone reacts strongly to a magnet, it is fake. UV light test. 12. Ultraviolet light. Under UV light, many real diamonds glow blue. Fake stones may glow green. Note, not all real diamonds fluoresce, so this test alone is not conclusive. So this professional tests, most accurate. 13. Diamond tester. Uses thermal and electrical conductivity. Very reliable for quick identification. 14. Laboratory testing for 100% certainty. Take the stone to a gemologist. Certified labs, GIA, IGI, can confirm authenticity. Common myths about rough diamonds. If it sparkles, it's real. Rough diamonds usually do not sparkle. All diamonds are clear. Rough diamonds can be yellow, brown, or cloudy. Big stones are always valuable. Size alone does not determine value. Final thoughts. Identifying a real rough diamond requires patience, observation, and multiple tests. No single home test is 100% reliable, but combining visual inspection, hardness tests, and simple physical experiments can greatly increase your chances of success. If your stone passes several of these tests, there is a good chance it may be a real rough diamond, but professional verification is always recommended before selling or cutting the stone.